My name is Abigail Seymour, and I am a family law attorney here in Greensboro, North Carolina, and I want to talk today about no-fault divorces. They are under attack from the conservative right, including J.D. Vance and House Speaker Mike Johnson, because they believe and have stated that no-fault divorces are an attack on traditional marriage and that people are just giving up on their relationships and their marriages too soon and changing partners as quickly as they change their underwear. Before no-fault divorces existed, the only way to get out of a marriage was to allege fault in the other party, which had to be either abandonment, cruelty, drunkenness, and you needed to have a witness. No-fault divorces became law for the first time in 1969 in California, and it was signed into law by then Governor Ronald Reagan, himself a Republican and also a divorcee. Gradually, all the states adopted this, and 2010 was the last time a state bought into it. Was New York State, but it's legal all over the country, and North Carolina's own version of that is called an absolute divorce. The only requirement is that the person has to have lived in the state for 6 months, and they need to have been separated for 1 year. This is a little unusual. There are only 6 states that require that separation time frame, and we are one of them. But it is still nothing as onerous as having to go through a litigation case around a divorce. Studies showed that during the years that no-fault divorces became more common and available to people, rates of partner violence and suicide declined among married women who were seeking divorce. Imagine trying to get out of an abusive relationship and the only option is to go to court and allege these things against that person in a public forum. Court tends to favor the person with the most money and the most power, which is not going to be the person alleging those things.